How do I set the Sabbath mode? The Sabbath mode, available on some models, disables portions of the refrigerator in accordance with observance of the Sabbath and other religious holidays within the Orthodox Jewish community. To turn Sabbath mode on or off, for Frigidaire gallery models, simultaneously press and hold both the down and plus keys for 5 seconds. For Frigidaire professional models, simultaneously press and hold the freezer minus and refrigerator plus keys for 5 seconds. The display will show SB. Some things to keep in mind when your fridge is in Sabbath mode. The lights dispenser and display will not operate. The ice maker will complete a cycle that is already started, and the ice cube compartment will remain cold. The high temp alarm will remain active. For example, if the door is left open for a period of time, the high temp alarm will signal for safety reasons. Once the door is closed, the refrigerator will function normally without any violation of the Sabbath or holidays. That's it! Now you know how to set your fridge for the Sabbath.